Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mahal ka namin at kasama mo kami sa panahon ng pagdadalamhati.
Dasal po at pagmamahal ang alay namin sa inyong pamilya.
Kaya ngayon pong umaga, isang malapit na kaibigan ang sasalo sa kanya.
Yes, mga tiktropa, mag-ingay para sa ating paboritong Mars,
Camille!
Hi Camille! Happy birthday from Mayora Badet. De, joke lang. Happy birthday. Siguro ang message ko lang is grateful ako sa iyo dahil ikaw yung isa din sa pinaka-thoughtful na nakilala ko na person, and I hope yung friendship natin is hindi lang sa surge, and I'm looking forward pa for more bonding, and sana mag-celebrate tayo tapos ikaw yung manlilibre. Syempre kasi birthday mo, nasa Pilipinas tayo, ganun talaga yung kultura natin. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Sa paborito naming Mars, happy birthday sa'yo, Cams. Miss you. Ingat ka lagi. Bye-bye.
So, pasensya na nag-2-in-1 na kami dahil limited ang aming attendance.
Pero bakit parang galit ka? Pero bakit kasalanan ko? Parang kasalanan ko.
Yes! Happy birthday, Maring Cams! Happy birthday, Cams! We miss you po. Today lang nawala. Today lang nawala. Ingat ka dyan wherever you are. Good luck sa iyong date.
Pansin mo ba kaya ang
Date saan? With who? Charis. Happy birthday, sis! We love you. Love you.
Hi, Cams! Happy birthday! May you have a great day today. And I wish you all the happiness. I love you and keep spinning!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Camille. Wishing you all the best in life. Take care always and God bless. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Camille, and more calorie deposit to come. Stay active and stay healthy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cams. We love you, you know that. I wish you all the best. Sana matupad lahat ng mga prayers and pangarap mo sa buhay. See you soon. Bye.
To the Queen of Isolation, happiest birthday. Ayun, nasabi ko na yung message ko sa'yo. Keep shining, keep smiling, keep spinning, and keep running. Ayan, I hope that you achieve all your fitness goals this year and the years to come. Thank you for always showing up.
And na call, Bax! Bax! I-end mo na yung call! Bax!
Hello, happy birthday, Cams.
Papwit yun?
Hi, Cams. Happy birthday. I hope you're having a great day today. And as I always say with our conversation is that I'm always proud, happy with how you progress with your fitness goals, and it just shows how consistent you are and how dedicated you are as a person. So again, a happy birthday, and Auntie Reg will always be proud of you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Cams! I wish for your good health and, of course, success. Ang sarap kayang maging 32. So, wag mong sayangin yung pagkakataon to live, invest in yourself, enrich yourself, and always make it a point to learn to love and be grateful for the life that you have. Parati mong piliing maging mabuting tao. Yun lang.
So, anyway, but napasingit pa ang hawak mo ang beat. Siyempre, hawak mo talaga ang beat ngayong araw na ito kasi birthday mo. So, Ate Cams, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is more happiness. And sana, irereto ka na namin sa iba. Kanino mo ba gusto? Ano bang klase? So, anyway, yun nga. Good health and more blessings to come. Enjoy your birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Gusto mo yan, di ba? Joke lang. So, see you soon. See you next week. Super tagal, di ba? So, bye-bye. Love, love. Ingat palagi. High five for the team. 7:15.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Cubs! More ride with you. Enjoy your day.
Ayan, so ulit, meron ulit nagpapabati. So yung nagre-request na ng video greeting, siya naman daw ang meron. Okay, yung kaibigan niya nag-request ng video greeting. So may fan na naman tayo. Third fan natin for this era. And ayun, happy birthday kay Camille. Sana lagi kayo nag-ride kay Coach Ray. Sa reset na binati ko. Yung second fan ko yon. Yung first fan, nasa Paranaque. Joke lang. Ayun, so see you soon para makita nyo ako sa mga spin classes ni Coach Ray. Or malay mo mag-Coach Reggie ako. Yun lang. Bye, see you. Kala mo meron kang video.
Maligayang bati, Miss Camille Dator. Naway marami ka pang kaarawan na maranasan sa iyong buhay at pagpalain ka nawa ng buong may kapal. At sana ay marami ka pang ride classes na masakyan, maraming heat classes na masubukan, maraming coaches na pagpipilian, at naway maging mas malakas ka pa para makapag-Spartan ka at TBR next year. Dahil dyan, maligayang kaarawan at magandang araw.
Happy birthday, Camille! I hope you have a great day today. And of course, we'll see you at the studio. Let's all get strong together.
Happy birthday, Camille. Wishing you more good health, happiness, and extra super fun, sweaty workouts in the years to come. Have a great celebration.